Okay, what I wanted to do was talk a little bit about a common confusing thing that happens in my office, and that is the difference between a consultation and an examination. Like many offices, we offer free consultation. Many people will call saying, does Dr. Timmerman offer free consults? And the answer is always yes. However, that often leads to a lot of confusion. And I think it's because many offices and people use the terms examination and consultation interchangeably. And they really are very, very different things. Now, if you've never been to our office, if you've never met me, and I've never done an examination, then our consultation can only be similar to the type of conversation you would have at a cocktail party. So we call it a cocktail party consult. Come on in, we can sit and we can talk about things. At a cocktail party, if you found out that I was a dentist, most of the time you're going to go straight to, well, take a look at this tooth. Well, what do you think of this? So I can give you a brief understanding of what is a dental implant, how do porcelain veneers work, how white should white be, and all the different things that are just general conversations. But it's nothing specific to you. I can't tell you how much it would cost. I can't tell you what it would take. I can't tell you really much of anything personal. I can't personalize the conversation. The only way for me to tell you what it would take, how much it would cost, or any of the things that you really want to know is if I did an examination first. And a comprehensive examination is kind of a minimum. Unless you had one specific tooth that was bothering you and you only wanted to know that one thing, then we need to be comprehensive. I need to take x-ray. I need a panelipse view, the type of x-ray where the machine goes all the way around your head and kind of spreads out the image into a flat image of the entire jaw. I need to know what's going on with each individual tooth from different angles. And if you've had implants or a history of a root canal on a tooth, I need an individual x-ray of that tooth or that implant. I can't tell you much about what's going on without all this information. I also take photographs. I use a SLR camera, a digital SLR, to photograph your teeth in different angles, different views. I use a mirror so I can see the chewing surfaces of the teeth, and I take pictures straight on your teeth and retract. We retract your lips out of the way so we can see more. So this will help me to see what I need to see, but also help me communicate to you what it is that is happening. And from there, we can then discuss what your options are. So there really is no substitute for a comprehensive dental examination. And honestly, to assume that I can tell you much without the diagnostic records is basically saying that you think that those records are useless. Now, I will say that there are some dental offices that are worthless. If they feel that, and I don't know why some dentists don't think that their time is worth very much. I don't know why they don't charge for their time. You can't go to an attorney's office for any amount of time without there being a fee. You can't have a conversation over the phone with an attorney without being charged for it. So clearly, expertise is you get what you pay for. So if you're going to an office and the dentist doesn't charge for his time, then you might be going to, let's just say, an inferior office. In my office, I charge for my time. I've spent way more hours than the average office learning what I do and how to do it at the high level that we do it. We don't charge an extreme amount for our time, and the fee will vary. If it's a 10-minute conversation, I'm certainly going to charge a lot less than if I spent an hour with you. So I am at that expert level, so there is a nominal fee just to pick my brain. Now, don't hesitate to call. If you want a free consultation, please, absolutely come on in. If we don't do any diagnostic records, then I will certainly entertain your conversation, your questions, and answer it to the best of my ability. But if you really want to know how much things are going to cost, the current state of your dental health, if you want to know all of your options, if you'd like to know the fee for each of those different options, then schedule a time for a comprehensive examination. And after we take those diagnostic records, we can have a free consultation that is much more valuable than the free consultation, the free cocktail party consult.
Dr. Timmerman is known internationally with licenses in multiple states in the United States, plus Belgium and Dubai, for cosmetic, implant, and sleep dentistry, with fellowships in the International Congress for Oral Implantology and the Academy of General Dentistry, and a diplomate in the American Board of Dental Sleep Medicine. If you would like to become a patient of Dr. Timmerman or simply have questions, please go to our website, www.drtimmerman.com. That is www.drtimmerman.com. Or call us at 206-241-5533. Or you could email questions for an episode of a future podcast at thewholetoothpodcast@gmail.com.